Millet Day, Mandya Divas. Millets are a group of small round whole grains grown in India, Nigeria and other Asian and African countries. Considered an Asian grain, millet is known for its small round seeds and high nutritional value. In India, agriculture is one of the major sectors of Indian economy. The millet grains are used for food by men as well as for domestic animals and birds. It is a gluten-free grain and it is rich in fiber, protein, vitamin and minerals, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Odisha state celebrates Millet Day Mandya Divas to promote crops cultivation consumption across the state. The state government of Odisha is observing 10th November Millet Day in the state. The day is chosen according to the Hindu calendar the first Thursday of Margashira month. The OMM Odisha Millet Mission was set up in April 2017 and aims to improve productivity, promote household level consumption, promoting farmers to do farming of millet. In Odia, millet is known as Mandya. Mandya is a powerhouse of nutrition. Millet provides nutrition to everyone from children to elder ones. Food and Agriculture Organization and United Nations has recognized 2023 as International Year of Millets for awareness about health and nutritional benefit of millet. The Indian government proposed to celebrate 2023 as International Year of Millets. Because millets use less water to produce and grows in less time, it can be alternative to import cereals. India contributes 80% of millets production in Asia and 20% worldwide. Most millets producing states are Rajasthan, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Rajasthan is the highest millet grown in India. Major millets in India: jowar, sorghum millet, bajra, pearl millet and ragi finger millet. Millets are not just good food health but the planet as well. Millets are considered a smart food because they are environmentally sustainable with a lower carbon footprint. Different types of millets and their uses. Sorghum millet. Sorghum is known as jowar in India. It is a grain that is often used for baking and especially flat breads and cakes. Pale millet. Pale millet is Asian grains. Pale millet, also known as bajra. These grains are used to make rotis or breads, porridge and even fermented beverages. Foxtail millet. Foxtail millet, sometimes called Italian millet. It is the second most grown variety of millet and widely cultivated in Asia. It is usually used breads. Finger millet, a very hardy crop grown in Africa and Asia. It has a wide range of uses like pudding, porridge, bread and cake. In India, finger millet is called ragi. Fonio millet. Fonio, also known as findi and hungry rice, a great source of protein and fiber. Kuddu millet. Kuddu millets originated in West Africa but today are also grown in Nepal, India, the Philippines, Indonesia and Vietnam. In India is substitute for rice it can also used in many dishes like dosa, idli, khichdi, pongal, paisam or kheer. Today used like noodles, biscuits also made in this millet. Little millet. This millet good at growing in areas of low rainfall. It is often cooked like upma, khichdi. It is used in both breakfast and dinner. Brown top millet. Brown top millet is traditionally grown in India. It has been used to make sweet dishes and baked foods. This millet is another superfood and rich proteins. Buckwheat millet. Buckwheat millet is one of the most well-known and widely used millet grains like amarnath and quinoa. It is actually a seed. It is also good for health. Amarnath millet. Amarnath is known as ramdana in India, a nutrient-rich superfood. It is used during fasting days and festival time. In India, most used in Navaratri Puja. It can also use bread or roti laddus. They provide a range of health benefits including improved digestion and enhanced immunity. Millet Man of India, Dr. Khadarwali. Lari Bai, the Millet Woman of India. She is known as the Millet Queen. Thank you for watching this video.